Dear class 4 students, today we will be doing exercises from chapter 4, Janie's Amber Beads. Coming to the first exercise, exercise A, page 41. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What did Janie's grandfather get from the wreck of the Goshawk? Answer. Janie's grandfather got the beads from the wreck of the Goshawk. Question number 2. How do we know that Janie's grandmother loved the gift? Answer. We know that Janie's grandmother loved the gift as she had worn it for many years and then had left it to her granddaughter. Question number 3. Pick any two expressions used in the third and fourth paragraphs to describe the color of amber. Write them in your notebook. Answer. The two expressions used in the third and fourth paragraphs to describe the color of amber are a globe of yellow light and frozen honey. Question number 5. What are the two things that puzzled Janie about the amber? The two things that puzzled Janie about the amber are 1. How the amber came to be on the seashore, and 2. How the bees, the moths, and the other creatures had got inside. Question number 5. What brought the lump of amber close to the shore? Answer. A great storm had thrown up the amber from the depth of the sea, and this brought the lump of amber close to the shore. Now open page 42, exercise B. Choose the correct answers. In each questions, options are given, 3 options each. From these given 3 options, you have to choose the correct one. Okay. Now let's begin with number 1. The main idea of the text is A. The life of Janie's grandfather. B. The wreck of the Goshawk. C. The way amber is formed. And here the correct option is C. The way amber is formed. Next, question number 2. When grandfather gave the necklace to his wife, she was. Correct option is B. A bride. Number 3. The tiny insects were trapped in the beads when. Correct option is C. Pine gum covered them. Number 4. When compared to human beings, the amber is. Correct option is A. Much older. Number 5. Amber comes from. Correct option is A. Pines. Number 6. Pine gum hardens into amber, and the correct option is A. In the forest. Okay, children, these are your notes from chapter 4, Janie's Amber Beads. Thank you.